Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. In fact, just did it on Tuesday. So that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates need to be done. Although update maybe isn't necessarily the right word. Confirmation would be more so an accurate term. And the big point of confirmation, this will definitely mean to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday. But I talked about this red line here, which is denoting $55. And I talked about that level being a tricky level, because it's tricky because the price has been able to get up above it before. So you can see right there, the price got above it. But the problem was ultimately failed. Got up above it right there. Problem is ultimately failed. Back below right there, got up above it. Problem was ultimately failed. And then look at what happened this morning. Price once again got above it, but ultimately failed. So $55, just that much more confirmation that it truly is one of those very tricky areas where, again, and it's tricky because it's not a problem of breaking through that level. The price still, clearly has enough strength to break up above it. I mean, it's done it. Now, this was the fourth time here. But the problem is staying above that break point is where it seems as though the momentum and energy just disappears. So $55, again, I'm not saying that it can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying we now have yet another data point that shows that just because it breaks above 55, I'd still be a little skeptical. Let the price prove itself by being able to show that it can actually stay up above the $55 mark. As far as other areas, nothing has changed. Still up there around 58.25, and then support-wise, you have that overarching level down there at 48. So it's not like the price or the chart is destroyed or anything after today. It's just that much more confirmation that, yeah, $55 is definitely a very, very annoying level going forward and one of those tricky levels, but we'll see how things continue to play out over the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.